False myths and legends about health are very frequent and dangerous. Eating carrots improves night vision. Swimming after eating can cause cramps. Organic food is more nutritious and free of pesticides are some examples of those harmless myths. But there are many others that are very dangerous, and we will show you a few of them in our top 10 of health myths that are actually dangerous. Number 10. Abortion is bad for your health. Even if it may cause controversy, there is no real evidence that abortion is more dangerous than other types of activities that are really harmful to health. The myth began when through the internet, many people realized that most of the women who had an abortion were more susceptible to breast cancer than the ones who had a baby. This is because giving birth protects the mother against this illness, but it doesn't mean that abortion causes it, or at least there is no evidence of it. Number 9. Brassieres and cancer. Using something constantly and using it incorrectly can make a difference. Through several investigations published on the internet, some people think that brassieres can cause breast cancer, but there is no good reason to believe that the bra is doing something bad for your health. What is really worrying is its wrong use. Wearing it too tight for a really long time can cause irreversible damage. Number 8. Flu vaccine isn't necessary. This is one of the most widespread and dangerous myths in the whole world. The flu can cause between 300,000 and 500,000 deaths each year worldwide because many people believe that medical treatment or vaccination isn't really necessary. This causes the increase of dangerous and incurable infections. Number 7. Cancer is caused by man. Even if it is true that factors such as smoking and having an unhealthy life could increase the risk of cancer, we cannot state that this is a modern health problem created by humans. Scientific evidence says that this terrible pathology affects millions of people around the world for thousands of years, and it's for this reason that foundations like the Cancer Research UK tries to tear down some false myths and somehow help to improve the necessary treatment for this disease. Number 6. Coffee is good for your health. New studies show some health benefits of coffee, like the protection against type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, prostate cancer, Alzheimer's, among others. But we will have to be careful with this type of myth. Everything in excess can be extremely harmful too. Due to its high content of caffeine, it can also create ulcers. It also affects the digestive and nervous systems, generating stress and damage to the kidneys. Number 5. Childhood diseases heal themselves. An unvaccinated child is unnecessarily vulnerable to innumerable diseases, and say that it isn't necessary to treat them medically is a terrible mistake. Measles, mumps, and rubella can cause serious complications such as pneumonia, encephalitis, blindness, and diarrhea in children without vaccines or medicines. For this reason, this is one of the most dangerous myths of all. Number 4. Carbohydrates and obesity. Balance is the key of good nutrition, and excesses destabilize that balance. Think that carbohydrates can make us obese is one of the most popular and dangerous myths of all. If we eliminate it completely from our diet, we will lose healthy foods such as whole grain breads, wheat, and vitamins that are essential for our health. Number 3. Organic foods are healthier than inorganic ones. These types of organic foods are consumed by many people more frequently and in big quantity due to the myth that affirm they're more beneficial for health. Nothing could be further from reality, because some substances found in natural fertilizers can become a serious health risk if they are consumed in excess. Number 2. Saturated fats bring heart diseases and cancer. Although the fashionable diets have taught us that we should never consume saturated fats, the truth is they may be necessary. Eliminate them completely can cause permanent damage to the heart and bones because they help to build stronger cell walls and improve the chances of cell survival. The solution is to create a balance in the diet without stopping to eat or exceed in the process. Number 1. Vaccines cause autism. There is no scientific evidence to support the relationship between measles, mumps, and rubella vaccines with autism. But despite all the evidence against it, this dangerous myth is still in force, and many parents refuse to vaccinate their children. The result? Outbreaks of dangerous diseases, those that vaccines once helped to eliminate almost completely, and today have killed an unnecessary number of children. Thank you for watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. We publish content every week for your entertainment. Leave a comment to let us know what you would like to see in our next Top 10.